know what'd be fun right now?
What?
Fireworks.
What's that?
A bucket.
What's it for?
Hold on, I'll be done. Come second. Presenting the new water-activated firework.
What's it do?
Well, you pour some water into a bucket, you put the firework in, and then kablooey! Cool! You can conveniently find this at Walmart, H-E-B, or any other convenience store for only $19.99. That's $19.99.
Wow!
Plus shipping and handling. Call 1-800-BOOM!
If your loved one has been diagnosed with being hit in the face with water-activated firework, please visit www.nobodycares.com for a possible refund on your purchase. The affected person may also want to see a doctor and possibly a therapist.
And the creator of this play, Kylie Randall!